Hi, very good evening. This is Shiva Prasad from Simple Wealth. Today we are going to discuss about the recently launched Corona Kavach policy from HDFC ERGO. This is the new policy formulated by IRDA to exclusively cover the corona-related hospitalization expenses. Let's go detail into the HDFC ERGO Corona Kavach policy. Name of the policy is Corona Kavach policy by HDFC ERGO. So product type here we have two plans. One is an individual plan as well as the family floater plan. So whereas individual plan covers for one single individual, in a family floater plan, so it covers the parents, father and mother as well as the kids. So kind of cover it is a indemnity benefit. So that is nothing but whatever the actual hospitalization expenses will be paid by the policy. So when it comes to the sum assured, here we have a multiple sum assured. So starting from the 50,000 rupees and goes up to the 5 lakh rupees in multiples of 50,000. So that is nothing but if someone wants to take a policy of 50,000 rupees, then 1 lakh, 1 lakh 50,000, 2 lakhs and goes up to 5 lakh rupees. So as discussed, this plan can be taken by on individual basis as well as the floater basis. So if you are taking an individual basis of a 2 lakh rupees, so the maximum medical expenses will be covered under this policy will be 2 lakh rupees on individual basis. When it comes to the family floater plan, if you are opting for a 3 lakh rupees of sum assured, so the total bills for all the family members, so the maximum limit will be 3 lakh rupees for the entire family. Policy period, here we have a three options. First option is a 3.5 months, second option is a 6.5 months, third option is 9.5 months. So in all these policy options we have a waiting period of 15 days. So that is nothing but after purchasing the policy there is a waiting period of 15 days. So example, if you are taking purchasing this plan on 10th of July, so your actual coverage will start from the 25th of July. So if any person has already taken this policy and admitted with a corona related illnesses after the 25th of July, so this policy will come into effect. Eligibility of a person, so this policy can be purchased between the age of 18 years up to 65 years. So to claim the benefit here, so 24 hours of hospitalization is mandatory due to the COVID. This plan also covers the pre-hospitalization for the 15 days prior to the hospitalization. So whatever the expenses you have incurred before the hospitalization, it will be reimbursed. At the same time, whatever the expenses after the discharge from the hospital up to 30 days, that can be reimbursed by the company. Here we have any one more additional benefit, that is a hospital daily cash benefit. So that is nothing but during the hospital admitted in the hospital. So the number of days you are staying in the hospital. So this policy will pay you 0.5% of the sum assured every day to maximum of 15 days. So that is nothing but if any person is admitted in the hospital for 10 days and he is having a coverage of 5 lakh rupees. So 2,500 rupees per day will be paid throughout the 10 days and up to a maximum of 15 days. This policy also covers the home care treatment. So there is nothing but if doctor is advised to take a treatment by sitting at home. So even the expenses for that also this policy will be covered and it is of maximum up to 14 days per incident. So this plan also covers the Ayush treatment. So that is nothing but if you're taking a treatment for the COVID under the Ayurveda, Yoga or Naturopathy, Unani Siddha and homeopathy systems of medicines shall be covered under the sum insured during the policy period as specified in the policy. HDFC ERGO also covers as a cashless treatment as well as the reimbursement as of the claim. Let's have a look at the premiums of this policy. So for the sum insured of 50,000 rupees for individual person, so if the age of the person is between 36 to 45, the premium for this 50,000 sum insured is rupees 430 rupees. And for someone is having a two adults and two kids, for a sum insured of 50,000 rupees, where he has to pay 796 rupees as a premium. And took a look at the 5 lakh rupees of sum assured. So the person age of 36 to 45. So for single individual, the premium is around 1064 rupees as well. And the premium for the two adults and two kids, for the sum assured of 5 lakh rupees, he has to pay approximately the premium of 4,157 rupees. This is for the 3.5 months of time period. And the premium for a policy term of 6.5 months for the sum assured of 50,000 rupees. If the age of the person is between 36 to 45, the premium need to pay is 626 rupees. And for the family, so it is 1,158 rupees for the two adults and two kids. For the 5 lakhs of sum insured for a period of 6 months. So for an individual person, he has to pay around 1,548 rupees, whereas for the two adults and two kids, he has to pay a premium of 6,047 rupees. So for the policy term of 9.5 months, so for the sum insured of 50,000 rupees, so one adult between the age of 36 to 45 years, he has to pay the premium of 782 rupees. And for a family of two adults and two kids, so they have to pay a premium of 1,447 rupees for the 50 lakhs of sum insured for a period of 9.5 months. And for the 5 lakh rupees, so one individual between the age of 36 to 45, he has to pay a premium of 1,935 rupees. And for two adults and two kids, they have to pay a premium of 7,559 for a coverage of 5 lakh rupees for a period of 9 months. In addition to this, there is an optional cover of a hospital daily cash benefit. So there is a premium of it's a very so there is an optional cover for a hospital daily cash benefit. So the premium is a very small amount for the 5 lakh policy, and if you want to get a 2,500 rupees per day, the premium for 36 to 45 age person, the premium per day is around. Additionally, you have to pay 92 rupees per plan, and for the two adults and two kids, it is 360 rupees. Thank you for watching this video. For more details, you can visit to the HDFC ERGO website.